Hi, I'm Matt from Groundwork South, and today we're going to be looking at the maintenance of bow saws and pruning saws. With bow saws and pruning saws, you need to make sure you wipe them down after every use, paying special attention to the blade, which may become dirty or covered with sap. You should then dry your bow saws before putting them away. Once the bow saw blade has reached the end of its life, you'll need to replace it. We'll look at the two different types of blades you can buy and what their uses are. The peg tooth blade is designed for cutting dry wood. The peg and raker blade is designed for cutting wet or green wood. The teeth on a peg tooth blade are triangular and arranged in groups of 3, with a larger gap between each group. A peg and raker tooth blade has groups of 4 triangles teeth followed by 1 raker tooth, which looks like a regular tooth split in 2. Bow saws have 2 different mechanisms for tensioning the blade: a lever mechanism and a twist mechanism. To replace the blade, first release the tension. The blade will then be able to be unclipped at both ends . I hope you found this video useful. Why not check out some of the other tool maintenance videos? See you next time!